Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Edmundston, local and long-distance movers near me. When you're ready to handle a local or long-distance move, hiring a cheap Edmundston moving company makes sense. 3 Movers is not only cheap, but also very dependable. We offer the services you need to get a simple move without all the hassle or stress. Getting the right long-distance moving services for your needs isn't that difficult. We offer all the following: packing services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to handle your relocation, we can help. Our team of long-distance movers will make it very easy for you to move without all the stress. With us, you can move 100 miles, 500 miles, or even further. You can enjoy an easier local move with a Canada moving company. The right team of movers will take over the heavy lifting for you. With the right local movers, you won't have to worry about injury or damaged items. 3 Movers offers the best local moving services for you. Our team knows how to make it super easy to move down the street or across town. With us, you get a faster and easier local move. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Edmundston moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.